the funniest way you've ever been completely unprepared for something? One time I joined a Zoom class thinking it was off camera. It was not. It's 9:02 a.m. I wake up in a panic. I'm still half asleep, hair looking like I lost a fight with a toaster. I grab my laptop, open Zoom, no cam, mic muted. Or so I thought. I'm laying in bed, burrito wrapped in my blanket, munching dry cereal straight out the box like a raccoon. Suddenly I hear, Matthew, are you okay? I look at the screen. Camera, on. Mic, on. I have been live streaming my crumb-covered depression arc for the past 7 minutes. The entire class is just staring. One dude is wheezing. My professor says, well, thank you for showing us how Mondays feel. I literally closed my laptop like it was a cursed artifact and stared at the ceiling for 30 minutes questioning every choice I've ever made. Always double-check Zoom settings or become the main character against your will.